Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get into Marvel Rivals. First, ensure you are signed up for the official newsletter. This is crucial for receiving direct updates and potential invitations. Also, follow all official Marvel Rivals social media channels. They often share news and opportunities there. Regularly check the game's official website for any new announcements or application windows. Staying informed is your best first step. Next, keep an eye out for any beta application forms. These are typically found on the official Marvel Rivals website. When you find one, fill it out completely and accurately. Make sure to provide all requested information, especially your PC's system specifications. This helps the developers ensure a smooth testing experience across various hardware configurations. A well-filled application increases your chances. Engaging with the community can also be beneficial. Join the official Marvel Rivals Discord server to connect with other fans and developers. Participate in discussions, offer constructive feedback, and attend any community events. Showing genuine enthusiasm and being a positive member of the community can sometimes lead to opportunities. Remember to always be respectful and follow server rules. Finally, remember that gaining early access to popular games like Marvel Rivals often requires patience. Access is usually limited, and not everyone will get in immediately. Continue to monitor all official channels for new waves of invitations or future testing phases. Be wary of unofficial sources claiming to offer access. These are often scams. Persistence and vigilance are key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.